Good evening, everybody. August 28th, 2021. Bitcoin action today continued to just be choppy, not completely unexpected for a Saturday, of course. We really did need to see it hold this channel, in my opinion, that I had up here for it to potentially be a leading diagonal. At this point in time, I don't think that is a possibility anymore, but it is, always kind of a strange thing. The Bitcoin price action can always kind of surprise you. So, whether or not this goes up from here, who knows at this point, to be quite frank. I really don't know. This price action is strange. But that being said, it looks more like this to me, where that B just kind of stretched a little bit higher. And A here, B here, and then we should be potentially working on C down at this point in time. And this basically just stretches up a little bit more because of the height that got, and the ideal target is somewhere around here, 45. So I really am kind of leaning towards the idea that this maybe comes down to around this double bottom area again before going up. That would make some sense, because if it does break this line, like I've said before, 46K seems to be a fairly key area to me, and that could certainly lead down lower. If we break 46, I would be shocked if we bounced before about 43. Not to say that it's impossible, but that's kind of been my anticipation, is that if we break 46, we're going down lower to at least 43 and potentially even into the 40s. And then if that region breaks, then we're looking even deeper than that, of course. So yeah, there's nothing productive, in my opinion, about any of this price action. And then not only that, but we also have decreasing volume. If you look at the volume bars here, we've got decreasing volume going down as price action is going up, which is never a good sign for the bulls. It basically means we're having less and less interest in Bitcoin as the price gets up here. So seeing it come back down is kind of my primary scenario at this point. I would say I would expect that 46 area to be tested once again, and we'll see from there. So I think that's pretty much all I can really say about it at this point. There is nothing, even going down to like the micro, there's really no way to look at this as bullish action, in my opinion. So just hold on. It's hard to kind of assume things on a weekend anyway, though. We could see it spike down, and then a whole big volume spike comes up tomorrow right before the daily open or something, and pushes it up and surprises everybody. That's certainly possible, but be careful. It's the weekend, it's low volume, and to me this looks like it's coming down further. So that's my expectation, but we will see. And last night, if you recall, I did say that I was looking at this 49.3 to kind of be an initial indication that the correction was over if we broke over that. And then after this action that was all chop, I said, you know what, even if it breaks over that, I don't trust that any longer, because this is not productive action. So I would really need to see it break this high. And with this dump that we just had here, that may have proven that to be a very wise decision and a wise thing to say, that that's not enough evidence, basically, that if we break over that high, which it did, that's not enough evidence. I need to see it break this high. So and these 2 hourly candles here so far are proving that. So all right, that's enough blathering on about that. Tomorrow morning is the weekly live stream. I've got member requests that I'm going to go over. I've got over 30 different altcoins that I'll be looking at, and different assets: gold, stock market, silver, oil, all those sorts of things. So I'll be reviewing that in the morning. So make sure you sign up, members.tradelikeawhale.com. Sign up for a free 2-week trial, and you can get in on that weekly update tomorrow. All right, I'll see you in the morning.